Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little vlog. I'm currently at Ikea because I have a lot of things to buy. I'm redoing my apartment, well, some parts of it, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you guys around. I don't know if I'm going to be fully talking and recording a lot because I've heard that in a lot of Ikeas they don't let you record, but I will insert as many clips as I can, and I just thought it'd be fun to kind of take you guys with me on this little vlog. So I will see you guys once we're inside Ikea. next day. So the last clip that you guys saw was my trip to Ikea, and the reason why I went is because I needed to get some things to finish organizing my office space. I know I'm always changing it up, but I think I finally got it down. So I kind of want to show you guys some of the things I got. I didn't really get much, but I thought I'd give you guys like a little quick tour of what I got and how I organized it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just flip the camera so you guys could see. So this is how it looks, and one of the things that I got was this plant. So I always try to keep real plants here in the house, but I have them outside in my garden. So I got this little plant with a little wicker basket. And then the major thing that I went for was this shelf. So I had been looking for some sort of organization to kind of put my stuff, because my desk doesn't have any drawers, and usually the dog is sometimes grabbing my stuff. So I got this this little shelf and this little bookshelf, and it was like less than $100. So I really love how it looks, and it matches like the industrial theme that I have going on. So I don't want to decorate it too much, because like I said, this works. So I don't want to decorate it too much, because like I don't want to overdo it, but this is what I have so far, and I really like how it looks. So I'm just going to show you guys a little overview of how this looks. And I didn't have anything back there before, and I was thinking of getting a plant, but I knew I needed the storage space, so I just ended up getting that, and I think it looks perfect. So whenever I record videos, this is going to be my background. And here I just have these little I have my cameras on top, because like I said, I had everything on my desk before, and I just really love how it looks super minimal and clean. So I have my cameras, and then in here I just keep all my like other camera equipment, like tripod, extra lenses, and then this little bag that I keep all my cables, and actually that's inside. And then I keep other camera equipment, and I have that empty because like I said, my dog is always bored and always trying to look for things. And I also ended up getting this base from Ikea with some plants, and then this little wooden doll, I guess you could say that. And I just got like a few pillowcases, but pretty much that's everything I got. Like I said, I just needed to get a few little things to finish decorating. And yeah, that's pretty much, I love how it looks, super minimal, super clean. Hi, Boo, you want to say hi, Dicky boy? He just woke up. And this is my couch. I just turned it into a day bed so he lays down. But yeah, pretty much this is a little overview of how it looks. And like I said, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, so pretty much those are all the things that I got. Like I said, I've been having a lot of trouble figuring out my office space and my workspace. I'm switching it like at least every week, but I think the thing that I needed was storage solution to put all my stuff, because I had it under my desk and I felt like this corner looked super empty, and I didn't want to put another plant. So I saw this bookshelf on Ikea, and I was like, I really need it. Eventually I would like to get the same desk from the same collection, because I really like it, and it's smaller than the one I have. But for right now, this is what I'm working with, and I'm really happy. I don't want to overdo it. So it's my office space, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like this kind of video. I know I've been a little MIA, but just trying with work and other stuff going on, I will try my best to keep uploading. And like I said, I started my YouTube channel because I wanted to do this, and I will be uploading this week, which is today, well, Tuesday and Thursday, and try to be more active. And if you guys have any questions, please. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video, and comment down below what's your favorite furniture store. Mine is Ikea. I know Ikea is overrated, but I just love how they have so many things, and they're very affordable. They're not the best quality, but it matches my aesthetic. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you guys turn on your notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.